Some survey sites allow teens and young adults to earn rewards by sharing opinions, but eligibility depends on age requirements, location, and the specific survey platform. By the end, you'll know what to check before joining a survey site, how younger users can avoid wasting time, and what makes a survey platform worth trying. The first thing to check is the age requirement. Survey companies often have minimum age rules because they collect consumer research data from specific groups. Before creating an account, read the platform's eligibility rules to confirm you can participate. The second thing to check is how the platform rewards users. Some survey sites offer cash payments, while others use gift cards, points, or other reward systems. Choose platforms where the reward method matches what you actually want to receive. The third thing to check is the survey availability. A platform may have many surveys available in general, but your profile determines which surveys you qualify for. Complete your profile accurately, because survey matching depends on the information you provide. Another important factor is time. Surveys can vary in length, and some may take several minutes while others take longer. Check the estimated survey time before starting so you can decide whether the reward is worth your effort. You should also avoid survey sites that ask for unnecessary personal information or require payment to join. Legitimate survey platforms should explain how rewards work before you start completing surveys. Young users should also understand that surveys are not a replacement for a regular income. They are usually designed as a way to earn occasional rewards by sharing opinions. The best approach is to compare several platforms, track which ones provide surveys consistently, and stop using sites that waste your time. Survey sites can work for teens and young adults when the platform has clear rules, reasonable survey options, and a reward system that fits your needs. Your next step is to check the age requirement, payout options, and privacy details before signing up for any survey site. If this guide helped you understand how survey platforms work, like the video, and subscribe for more practical reviews of earning apps, reward programs, and online money tools.